Hi, I'm Mehdi, owner of Sunny Bliss Plumbing Air. Let's talk water heater installation in Miami. And the one decision that matters the most. Tank or tankless? A standard tank heater costs less upfront and is easy to swap in. A tankless unit, on the other hand, costs more to install, but heats the water on demand, never runs out, and lasts longer. And in a Miami home where the garage or utility closet may be tight, getting that wall space back is real. There's no universal right answer. It depends on your household size, your hot water habits, and your budget. We'll walk you through it honestly instead of just selling you the bigger ticket. Whatever you choose, the install is what makes it last. Correct sizing, proper venting on gas units, and a code-compliant connection. And an expansion tank where it's required. Done wrong, you get short equipment life and truly safety risks. Done right, you forget it's even there. We're a licensed Florida plumbing contractor doing this across South Florida since 1990. Our license is CFC 1433145. If you're thinking about a water heater, give us a call and we'll size it right.